Hello everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate how to open MikroTik SXT series device. This device looks like this. This will be the subject of my demonstration. I start with dismantling additional parts like holders and adjustable hoop ring gear. Now the ring comes off easily, but the holder is a tough nut to crack. Usually you need some tool to perform this task, like a plastic spudger or something like that. Anything can be used, as this is a very tough part of the device. It does not break easily. Now, when we remove the ring and the holder, now we can start by heating up the device. This is necessary because the plastic that this housing is made of is very rigid. Now this device was opened before, and I'm showing you the places that I already cracked the housing. Now the housing cracks very easily, so heat is a must. Your choice of heating will be whatever you want to do, whatever you have. You can use hair dryer, hot air gun, room heater, whatever. Now the temperature should be something like that you can touch, but it does not burn your fingers. Of course, if you overdo it, the plastic will melt and will be deformed. Now to start up, we will use a screwdriver at the hole that I'm showing it now. I'm using a guitar pick to support my effort. And I also have some automotive tool that is used to remove plastic trimming for cars. Now I do also have another broken guitar pick that I'm going to insert to support my effort. Now the next hole will also be started with a screwdriver, but I realized that the plastic was not hot enough, so I will add some heat with a hair dryer. I'm using a hair dryer, of course, as you see. Now the temperature, again, try to heat up the device, the plastic housing, to the point where you can touch it and won't burn your fingers. In my case this will be an additional like 10-15 seconds, but it will differ depending on how hot your room is, how hot the device is, or how cold it is, how much heat the device that you are actually heating with outputs, and this will differ. Now we are continuing by breaking the housing, because I just broke it. Yes, I was very smart. Not enough heat, I guess. Now the first part of the device will come off rather difficultly, but once it starts coming down, it will be much more easier. Now I cracked the housing again. When you are trying to open these devices, I recommend to heat them up, I guess more than I did, because it will break. This device is about 10 years old. and that's it. From this point you can continue repair or replace or whatever you need to do. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time. Bye bye.